ways to save TikTok drafts to gallery without posting. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first launch your TikTok application and then tap on the plus icon. Now simply create a post or a video. I am using this post. Now what you will have to do in order to save it in your gallery without posting is you can take a screen record, or you can screen record, or you can take a screenshot. That is the number one method. Or next, what you can do is tap on next button, and then in this followers can view this post, simply select only you, go to more options and make sure save to device is enabled, and then post it. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.